Hello guys, welcome to the CSS quick overview where we will learn how to style using CSS. So far we used HTML to put content onto our web page and now we will be using CSS to style that content. And by this we can make our web page look beautiful and structured and we can create pretty good looking layout. To give an overview, you will learn what CSS is and why we use CSS. What are the CSS selectors like ID and class selectors and what's the basic difference between them two? And you will also learn how to use those ID and class selectors in your code. What are the different CSS properties like background and font properties and how to add those properties to the CSS selectors. Finally, I am going to introduce you to a new HTML element that is div element. By using div element along with CSS box model, you can create any layout you want. And at the end, I am going to show you how to position elements in different ways.